Oakland, California. Here we go. Oaktown, Northern California. What's going on, YouTube? You know it is the Big Fat Average Guy. Today I tapped into Oakland, California, and we're at Buttercup Diner and Bar. So you guys stay tuned for the food review. It's coming soon. Pork chop and eggs, YouTube, and potatoes. I'm gonna be scoring this on 1 through 10, so you guys get ready, YouTube. Here we go. What's going on, YouTube? You know it is the Big Fat Average Guy. Today I had to tap into the spot. How you guys can tell, Buttercup in Oakland, California today, YouTube. So I'm gonna be grading this a 1 through 10. I got pork chops, eggs, and potatoes. So here we go on the pork chop. You guys know I don't like to use pork. Wow. The potatoes are fire. It tastes a little bit like bell pepper. Chops got a lot of flavor in it. You know what I mean? About 1 through 10, I'm gonna give it an 8.8. It's good, you know what I mean? So if you guys are in the area, you guys are in Oakland, tap in the Buttercup. All right, YouTube, with that being said, I'm out of here. To everybody you love them. And for all the kids out there, stay in school and stay away from the street life. I'm gone.